morning, everyone. My name is Rosalaura Romeo, and I work at the Mountain Parish Secretariat at the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations in Rome, Italy. Well, thank you very much for inviting me to be part of your opening of the Summer Field School on Mountain Ecosystems and Resource Management. Well, it was not possible for me to be present during the live broadcast of this event, but it is my honor to share a video message with you all. So let's take a look at why mountain matters and why they have a whole United Nations partnership and an International Day dedicated to them. Well, as you all know, mountains occupy about a quarter of the Earth's land surface, and they supply a very important resources. They supply fresh water to almost half of humanity. They also host about half of the world's biodiversity hotspots, and they are home to many endemic and endangered species. Also, many of the world's most important crop and livestock species actually originated in mountains. More so, mountains are home to 1.1 billion people, the equivalent of 15% of the global world population. 62% of mountain people live in rural areas where agriculture is a major economic activity and is mainly carried out by smallholder farmers and pastoralists. Mountain agriculture is mainly a family farming affair. Mountains are also under pressure. They are exposed to high risk of the devastating natural hazards, such as landslides, climate change, volcanic eruptions, flooding, avalanches, and earthquakes. And also mountain people are often very marginalized, isolated from decision-making processes, and have limited access to markets, training, credit, and infrastructures. We also know that globally, mountain people face very high risk of food insecurity and malnutrition. Between the year 2000 and 2017, the number of rural mountain people who were vulnerable to food insecurity in developing countries increased from 243 million to almost 350 million. And we all know that these numbers are expected to increase due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on mountain areas. As we all know, mountains live mainly of agriculture and remittances and tourism. And these three areas have been seriously affected by the COVID pandemic, especially remittances and tourism, but also the distribution of agricultural products. So allow me now to say a few words about the Mountain Partnership where I work. I work in the Secretariat of the Mountain Partnership, of course. The Mountain Partnership was founded in 2002 during the International Year of Mountains. And the Mountain Partnership aims to address the challenges facing mountain regions by tapping into the wealth and diversity of resources, knowledge, information, and expertise of all the members. To date, 400 governments, intergovernmental organizations, and civil society groups from around the world are members of the Mountain Partnership. So we started with a very small group of members, less than 40, and during these about 20 years, we have now increased to more than 400 members. Every year, the Mountain Partnership Secretariat, together with the FAO and the Mountain Partnership Steering Committee, work together to decide a theme for the International Mountain Day. Last year's theme was mountain biodiversity. And during the past years, we have looked at such topics as climate change, food security, disaster risk management, mountain forests, mountain products, mountain agriculture, mountain culture, and youth and mountains. So a variety of themes just to address all the different aspects under the umbrella of sustainable mountain development. The theme of this year, International Mountain Day, is sustainable mountain tourism. And as you know, the International Mountain Day is celebrated every year on 11th of December. So we hope that you will be able to join for celebrating mountains this year. We are also very happy to be here today as Mountain Partnership and to join forces with all of you, because we are very aware of the need to increase the offer of courses devoted to mountains. They are really very limited in the world. So we directly promote two summer schools. The first one is called the Promo, and we started in 2008 to conduct this 2-week course every summer. Of course, during the last 2 years, this course was online, but we were able to reach out to a large number of participants. And we also were able this year for the first time to offer this course in Spanish.
And then we also offer the GROW Summer School, which is looking at promoting agrobiodiversity. And of course, both summer schools are conducted in collaboration with several partners. And we hope that we can strengthen our collaboration on this topic.
Well, thank you very much for this time. I look forward to returning on 26th of September for my presentation. Thank you for your attention today on behalf of the Mountain Parish Secretariat, and I wish you a very successful beginning for this year's summer school. Thank you again.